For weekend project, I built an air mouse, but I have a problem. The trackpad on my laptop seems not to be functioning very well, slowing down my pace in delivering projects and working on projects. Someone told me, hey, Tinkout, why not just go and get an external mouse? You can get a wired one or a Bluetooth one. But then I look at my pocket and I was like, wow, I do not have any money. But then again, the idea hit me. You have the engineering skills. Why not build a mouse you can use on your laptop? It can be wireless, Bluetooth enabled, of course, no dongle and not on a table. Can be operated in the air, an air mouse. Wow, crazy, right? And I know you want to say, wow, think out. You're really thinking outside the box. And to that I say, and for the traditional version of a typical Bluetooth mouse, where you have to put it on the desk to work with a dongle, this version of mine has none of those. You don't put it on the desk and there's no dongle. You just make sure the Bluetooth is connected and you start operating. Now, what do we have hooked up here? We have two touchpads, one for right click, one for left. If you notice, I did not use any push button because I do not want to put stress on my fingers. I want it to be as smooth and futuristic as possible. We have a tiny screen that displays status such as battery percentage, connectivity, tilt position and centering, and all other functions. I also hooked up a haptic motor that buzzes anytime you click on either of the touchpads, just to get that game feel. You know, I'm not a gamer, by the way. I also have a battery built into this device and it has a charging port. Now, how do you operate this? It is very simple, although the learning curve can be very strange at first. It's like operating a gimbal for the very first time, but then you get over it after a lot of practice. You move the cursor by tilting your hands left, right and bottom. The calibration for all of these positions have already been done and they are embedded in the code. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I built this device from scratch, the microcontroller I use, how the code works, and all of those information will be given out in my next video. So tell me what you think about my air mouse. Do you like it, and would you pay for this if you had an option to get a Bluetooth mouse that you have to put on your desk? I would love to see your comments, your likes, and please subscribe so you can get notified when the video is uploaded on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.